All right, guys, I'm super excited that you got our new 5-pack of pre-made bands. And as you know, inside each pack of pre-made bands, when you open it up, you're going to have 5 pre-made bands, and you're also going to have this little tape measure. Basically what it is it's a way to measure your draw length and then lay out your bands to cut them so that you can get it right almost every single time. One of the most common questions that we get asked at SimpleShot is, how do I know how long to cut my bands? And this is going to help you in a big way. Now, when you start with it, one of the things that you're going to see is it says, if you're new, start here. And what you're going to do is you're basically just going to take the tape measure in that spot with your thumb, and then you're going to draw out to where you would anchor on your face. So that feels about right for me, right about there. Now you want to hold it there and look at what letter you drew your fingers out to. Mine drew out to the letter L. Let's remember the letter L, and then I'll show you how to cut the bands to match your draw length. In this section of the tape, it has a little picture of a pouch. And then it has a number of letters here, and that'll indicate how long to cut your bands. So now we're going to open up our box, and we're going to take out a band set. Now I like these little ears to be on the outside of my pouch, so I'm going to fold the band set just like this. And then I'm going to evenly draw my bands out so that both sides are even. Now we're just going to place the pouch right over the graphic of this pouch, and there's a dotted line that'll indicate where the tie-on should be. And then as we lay out our bands, you're going to see that I can get to the letter L. So right where the letter L is, that's where I'm going to cut my bands. So again, fold your pouch in half, make sure it's very even. Draw both band sets out as evenly as possible. Place the knot on the dotted line, and the pouch should look just like the pouch on the picture. Find that letter L, and then you're going to cut the bands right there. All right. But what about the pros? What are they going to do? We've got you covered too. On the other side, if you flip it over, this is where the pros will go. If you're pro, start here. So on the back, it's going to give you all the info that you're going to need to know. But when you draw this one out, right away, it'll start with your draw lengths in both millimeter and inches. Now this one only goes out to 36 inches, but for most people, it's going to set you up exactly where you need to be. So there it is, another simple and easy way to help you tune your bands properly. If you got any questions for us here at SimpleShot, just reach out. We're here to help. And thanks so much for watching, guys.